And I want to appreciate my honorable colleagues who found me worthy this motion to be seconded, and the two white men in front. Mr. Speaker, this is a motion on the need for national reconciliation and integration process to build confidence of a new generation order in Nigeria. The House notes with delight various calls for national reconciliation and integration process in Nigeria, which is an essential ingredient for building confidence in a new generation order by addressing historical divisions, promoting social cohesion, ensuring political instability, fostering economic development, empowering our youth, enhancing international reputations, preventing conflicts, and facilitating nation building. The House also notes that Nigeria has a history of ethnic, religious, and regional diversity, which requires a united nation essential for social stability and development. The House agreed that reconciliation fosters a sense of common identity, reducing tensions and promoting social cohesion. National integration ensures political stability and it minimizes the risk of ethnic or regional conflicts. A stable political environment is essential for economic growth and overall development in any nation. Convinced that a united Nigeria is better positioned to attract investments and engage in economic development, investors are more likely to commit resources to a politically stable and integrated nation. The House further convinced that a reconciled and integrated society provides a conducive environment for the empowerment of our younger generation. It allows them to focus on education and skill development, contributes to national progress. A united nation enhances Nigeria's international reputation. It promotes diplomatic relations and cooperation and makes it easier to engage with the global community for mutual benefits. The House is cognizant of the fact that reconciliation helps identify and addresses potential sources of conflict before they escalate. It is a proactive approach to prevent the recurrence of historical issues that could lead to unrest. The House believes that building a new generational order requires a foundation of unity and shared values. National reconciliation lays the groundwork for a collective vision, contributing to the development of a stronger and more inclusive nation. In view of the foregoing, the House hereby resolves to 1. Urge the federal government to, as a matter of urgency, set in motion the process for national reconciliation and integration in Nigeria. 2. The House urges the leadership of the National Assembly to set up a joint special committee that will interface with the federal government on the actualization of the national reconciliation and integration in Nigeria as a matter of national policy and unity. Mr. Speaker, I so move distribute honorable colleagues. Thank you.
Those in support of this motion should say aye. Those against should say nay. The ayes have it. This motion will be referred to an ad hoc committee to be constituted in due course.